quiet Somerset village, where the old mills used to stand, two brothers had a vision, with leather in their hands. From humble scraps of sheepskin to a dream that crossed the sea, they stitched a little history into every family. Rows of polished leather, the rhythm of the trade, the echo of the workshops where generations stayed. Every last and hammer, every needle, every thread tells a story of the footsteps that so many people tread. Step by step, through the years we roam, following the footprints that carried us from home. Every pair's a memory, every soul's a start. The shoemakers of street still walk within our hearts. From schoolyard days to distant lands, built with skill by caring hands, the journey lives for all to see in the Shoemakers Museum's history. There's the famous desert boot that traveled far and wide, and shoes that walk through childhood with a little extra pride. Old shop windows sparkle with fashions from the past, reminding us that simple things can truly last. It's more than boots and slippers, more than leather, wood and glue. It's people, hope and kindness in everything they knew. A village built together where every dream could grow. The legacy of craftsmanship the world has come to know. Step by step, through the years we roam, following the footprints that carried us from home. Every pair's a memory, every soul's a start. The shoemakers of street still walk within our hearts. Though the world keeps turning and the seasons gently roll, the spirit of the shoemakers lives in every soul. So wander through the galleries where every story's told, of leather dreams and friendship worth far more than gold. In street the journey carries on as time keeps marching through, with every step remembering the hands that made our shoes.